Hey there, it's great to see you. Namecheap here doing a quick overview on how to do transferring to your Namecheap account. Now, we use Namecheap ourselves for a majority of all the domains that we register. You can see just a couple of them here. Now, these are ones that we do the domain management for. Yes, you can get your own Namecheap account and manage it yourself, no problem. It's a little bit less than if we do it, so not a problem. But I'm just going to let you know how to transfer that domain over and then how to share it with us so that we can have access to help you with your DNS and making sure that your websites are all pointed to the right hosting. So let's take a look here. So once you've logged into your Namecheap account, as you can see here, you've got myself there, so on and so forth, how this is all set. Now we're going to go to here to the domain name or domain transfer. Now how that works is you type in the domain that you're wanting to transfer, and in this case I'm going to use one that is a current client who is looking to transfer this. So let's do this. So we enter the domain name you want to transfer and click transfer. Okay. Once you do that, what's going to happen is it's going to give you an overview on whether that domain name, first of all, is transferable. Now, there's a couple things that can affect your transferring. First of all, as you can see, the domain is unlocked. That is important. That means you can actually get the authorization code or EPP code that's necessary. Second of all, you'll also want to make sure that automatic renewal is turned off at your registrar, because that can affect the ability to transfer the domain. And as well, some people will have a domain, privacy turned on at their other registrar. Make sure that's turned off as well. It's only a short time, but to do the transfer, this opens it up and makes it so that it's available for your transfer. That's pretty much what it comes down to. So once it's all done, you've seen that it's unlocked, everything's good. You say, by requesting domain, I agree that Namecheap will retrieve my domain's contact information. Well, that's a good thing, because you want everything that's currently set up with your domain, including the contact information, to transfer over as well. So really important. And as you can see, if you need to update things afterwards, you can totally do that. So not a big problem at all. Then, once everything's done, what you'll need to have done is get to or contact your current registrar, wherever that may be. Now, often registrars will have this available right within their interface, and I will show you how that can be done quickly on the Namecheap side so you see what it looks like. As you put that EPP or authorization code here, you can then click the verify auth code, and it will automatically put that into the system. That's where it's set. Now that's just the basic part of that. So you get the idea there, but what I'd like to do is I'm also going to show you, what an EPP code looks like. Let's use this domain here, the celebrationmemorials.online. Great, it's all set. Now in order to, sharing and transfer, if you click here in Namecheap, all you'd have to do is, okay, you unlock it, and then you ask for the auth code. Okay, in this case, it's saying, hey, why you transferring? They'll probably ask you those questions. Not a problem. And then send the code once you're all done. Now, usually what will happen is the code will be sent to whoever that domain is registered to or is labeled as the administrator or registration contact. In this case, it is our company that is the registration contact because we manage this domain for them. If they need anyone to have access and so on and so forth, we know how to, where to give them access to, and we'll monitor some changes that need to be done. But in this case, what will happen then, is with the one that you're transferring from a new registrar, you also, it will transfer all your information in there. Now, lastly, how to share access. If you go to that sharing and transfer, you notice here, there is the new manager area. You allow somebody else, such as us, to have access to your domain so that we can help manage things, for some of the quick, maybe DNS stuff for your hosting. That's where we ask for this one here. So to ask for a new manager, we just ask you to put in ours. So put it into, if you put that down as the new manager, that will go to our account, and we will then be able to, accept that and manage some of your DNS for you. So that's how it works. Pretty simple. And so if you've got any questions, reach out, let us know. But this should be, fairly self-explanatory. And once that's all there, we'll get it in, accept that, and be able to help you out from the next stages. Thanks a lot and take care.